Today we're making a no egg Romany Creams recipe. It's a game changer and it might have you saying goodbye to store-bought biscuits for good. Greetings Sanibona, welcome. My name is CBO. Let's begin. In a bowl, place softened butter, then add sugar. You may add caster sugar with a little bit of icing sugar and mix. I had brown sugar. Cream them properly. Do not rush the process. This will provide all the structure we need. Later we will add milk to bring the dough together. Please check in the description box below a list of ingredients and more information. Add the vanilla extract or essence and mix. Add the cocoa powder and stir. Add the desiccated coconut and mix. Please kindly run the eggs as a token of appreciation. If you are enjoying this recipe and can't wait to see the final results, please take a second and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Add the flour, followed by the baking powder. Then with your clean hands, manipulate the mixture to form a dough. Do not knead it or add too much pressure. Gradually add the milk to form a soft dough. A splash of milk will help bring the dough together. If you enjoy homemade treats, make sure to like and subscribe. Press the notification bell. It's free to subscribe. A big thank you to my returning subscribers, my easy family. Thank you so much for your loyalty. To help the biscuits hold a good shape and a perfect texture, wrap the dough with a cling wrap. Sprinkle the flour on the cling wrap and on top of the dough. Then chill it for 30 minutes in the fridge. This will help the biscuits not spreading too much in the oven. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit, at least 15 minutes before baking. Lightly sprinkle the flour on a clean surface. Sprinkle some on top of the dough. Roll the dough between 3 to 5 millimeters thick. If it's any thicker, they won't be crisp. If any thinner, they might be too delicate. For signature, rough top gently. Drag a fork across the surface of the dough. Make light scrape. Is all it takes to create those classic lines. A small round or oval cookie cutter about 4 to 5 centimeter wide will help cut the cookies. I am using a spice lid. I did not have that size of a cookie cutter. Dip the cutter into the flour in between cutting. Then place the cut cookies or biscuits on a baking pan. Leave a little room between them. Bake them between 12 to 15 minutes. Please keep an eye on them. When they are ready, the edges will look firm and the tops will look dry. They will crisp up beautifully as they cool on a wire rack. Over baking them will cause the cocoa taste a bit bitter. Cool them completely. Don't rush this. Chop the milk chocolate of choice. Once they are cool, simply melt your milk chocolate in a heat-proof bowl in a microwave in 20-second bursts, stirring in between. Once melted, let the chocolate cool for a few minutes so it's slightly thicker but still easy to spread. Place a good teaspoon of melted chocolate right in the center. Don't spread it to the edges. Place the other biscuit on top and press down gently. The chocolate will spread out perfectly, creating that thick, irresistible. Let them sit for a bit until the chocolate is totally set. Layer we all love. Look at that texture. They have a perfect snap. They are crisp, the chocolate is rich and creamy, and that coconut flavor shines. I really hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for your time. Stay blessed. You are loved. See you soon. Bye bye.